Aw yeah, Rivers here with my new channel name, Tech Connect. Everything will be the same as Some Cool Tech, just with a new, catchier name. And now onto my review of the Tronsmart Aura X5. This is a small, high-efficiency PC running Windows 10. First I'll show you a few features of this mini PC, and then I'll tell you how you can replace your older PC with the Aura X5 like I did right here to get an all-in-one PC. This is a true mini PC right here. It's running an Intel Cherry Trail Z8300 64-bit CPU, and it comes with a 64-bit version of Windows 10 installed as well. Other useful features on the Aura X5 include 2 USB 2.0 ports, 1 USB 3.0 port, HDMI that can output up to ultra high definition, 10100 Ethernet and a microSD card slot, support for dual band 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, which is nice and fast, Bluetooth 4.0, and 32 gigabytes of flash memory storage. Okay, let me tell you about my initial setup. First, I wanted to use it as a media player, so I connected it to my big screen 4K TV here. It worked pretty well, but there was the occasional lag. Some of the streaming videos would stutter a little bit, for example on YouTube. So what I did is I ran Windows Update and installed every update that was available. It worked much better after that. In fact, it pretty much ran without any problem since I updated it, so definitely upgrade the X5 as soon as you get it. Next up, I needed a way to control the X5, and since it was a media player, I wanted it to be wireless. So I hooked up this gyro remote control called the Remote Plus right here, and this works really good for mousing around, but the problem is you need to type a lot in Windows, so I really ended up needing a keyboard like this guy right here. This is the Logitech K400 wireless keyboard and touchpad. It's really the best solution if you're going to have a media player where you're going to need to type a lot like a Windows player. And like a lot of the great wireless devices, it stores a USB adapter inside here by the batteries. Just plug this into any USB port on the X5 and you're ready to go. Another nice feature of the RX5 is that you can wake it up out of sleep mode with any wireless USB device. Just push any button and it will wake up. This feature has not been available on Android media players so far because power is off to USB when it's in sleep mode. Now I want to show you my favorite use for the RX5, and that is to make it into a modern looking, sleek, fanless, all-in-one PC. This actually makes a great PC because Windows 10 has low system requirements, and the X5 has good enough hardware to handle a lot of common computer tasks. It works great for web pages, office documents, video streaming, movie playback, and light gaming too. It's not going to be very good at more demanding jobs like high-end gaming, video editing, or something that needs a lot of data storage, since it's only got about 10 gigs free of internal memory. If you do need additional storage, don't worry because the X5 is easily upgradable via USB drives. I recommend a USB thumb drive like this one, or a USB hard drive like the Western Digital portable drive. Both drives are USB 3.0, and the USB 3.0 port on the back will give you very fast data transfer speeds. To install the X5 on a monitor is actually very simple. I just used this super sticky foam tape and put it on the bottom of the X5 and then connected it back to my monitor. I tied the cables together with Velcro straps, but you could also use the black twist ties that came with the cables. Everything tucks behind the monitor very neatly, and from the front it looks very clean. I decided to replace my old Pentium Core 2 Duo in my bedroom with this new setup. My old computer cost about $800 7 or 8 years ago. The X5 costs about 1/5 of that price. Maybe that's why they call it an X5. Anyways, it takes up much less room, has way less cables and dust, and my favorite part is that there's absolutely zero fan noise now. To sum it up, the Tronsmart Aura X5 is a worthy replacement for an older PC at an awesome price. It will make a nice media player as well, as long as you pick up a wireless keyboard to go with it. I'll add links to all the hardware I recommend, as well as a list of more pros and cons in the description down below. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like it, be sure and subscribe to this channel, Tech Connect. As always, thanks for watching, and aloha!